Most of us are living in a closed-circuit reality. We wake up, think the same thoughts, feel the same emotions, and perform the same routines. In neuroscience, we call this a habit loop. While habits save energy, they also act as a glass ceiling for your potential. To achieve unstoppable growth, we have to move beyond just changing a habit. We need to talk about neuroplasticity, the brain's physical ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Today, we aren't just breaking habits. We are architecting a new brain to resonate with a higher frequency of abundance. Your brain doesn't know the difference between an external event and an internal emotion. When you focus intensely on a new vision of yourself, you trigger long-term potentiation. This is the process where persistent strengthening of synapses produces a long-lasting increase in signal transmission between neurons. Simply put, neurons that fire together wire together. By consciously choosing a thought that contradicts your current state of lack, you begin to physically prune old pathways. This isn't just positive thinking, it's an electrochemical shift. You are literally instructing your brain to build a new hardware system. But here is the truth. Without the bridge between the thought and physical movement, this is just intellectual entertainment. To make this work, we must address the prefrontal cortex, the CEO of the brain, and how it must override the basal ganglia, which is the center for those stuck habit loops. When you take a physical action that contradicts your old habit, you trigger neuroplasticity through effort. You stimulate the production of BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of this as Miracle-Gro for your brain. It makes the neurons pliable, allowing new pathways to take root. Without the physical act, the BDNF isn't released, and the new pathway remains a fleeting thought. To bridge the gap from fluff to functional rewiring, you must implement 3 specific practical actions. First, the 120-second micro-win. Don't try to build a business in a day. Your brain will sense the massive energy drain and trigger procrastination. Instead, perform a micro-action that takes exactly 2 minutes. This lowers the activation energy required and proves to your brain that the new pathway is safe. Second, environmental anchoring. Move to a new physical space dedicated only to your growth task, a different chair, a different room, even a different lighting setup. This utilizes context-dependent memory to bypass the environmental cues that trigger your old, limited habit loops. Third, the dopamine save button. The moment you finish that micro-win, you must celebrate physically. High-five yourself, pump your fist, or simply say yes. This triggers a dopamine spike that acts like a save command for the brain, marking that new neural pathway as valuable and making it easier to fire tomorrow. We seal these physical actions with the most powerful tool for conscious reality creation: heart-brain coherence. High vibrational frequency isn't a state of wishing, it is a state of biological alignment. Before you take on any major task in your life, you must perform this specific meditation practice to prime your nervous system for success. Step 1 of the practice: heart-focused breathing. Close your eyes and place your hand over your heart to shift your focus. Breathe in for 5 seconds and out for 5 seconds. This slow, rhythmic breathing shifts your nervous system from survival mode into a state of creation. Step 2. Elevated emotion. Recall a moment of sincere gratitude or appreciation and feel that emotion expanding in your chest. This creates a state of coherence, where your heart and brain are speaking the same language. Step 3. Mental rehearsal. While in this state, watch yourself performing your task with ease and confidence. See yourself hitting that dopamine save button. Step 4. The release. Take 1 deep breath, open your eyes, and immediately take your 120-second action. When you meditate before you act, you aren't just working hard, you are working with the full power of a synchronized nervous system. Your vibration rises because you are no longer leaking energy through internal conflict. You become a vibrational match for abundance because you have physically become the person capable of holding it. You are the architect of your own neural landscape, but an architect who never lays a brick has no house. Abundance is a physiological result of coherence and consistent action. Stop waiting for the feeling of abundance to find you. Use the chisel. Prune the old pathways of maybe later and fire the new pathways of right now. Every micro-win is a physical stitch in the fabric of your new reality. Go out there, perform your coherence meditation, and take that first step. Your brain is ready to build the bridge to meet you.